Hi guys, Redneck Computer Geek here. Today we're going to be talking about what is not a fix. It is a band-aid. We've all had this scenario. You've got cracked out tires, whether the machine is off into the woods somewhere, whether it's parked in a back lot, whether you just need to get it to last 2 weeks, but you got a tire that is all cracked out across the side and just will not hold air consistently. This video is going to be sponsored by AUDEW, their air pump. They sent me a while ago, and I've been using it consistently for a few weeks now, and I really like it. So we're going to be teaching you what I do in order to get these cracked tires to hold air long enough to get a few weeks out of them. Now, everybody has some special liquid for doing this, so if you're watching this video and you want to comment down below, what do you use for your special liquid? In my case, it's Dawn Ultra. I like Dawn Ultra because it's just a little bit thicker. It works great for mounting tires when you're doing that also. And the thing I really like is if you buy one of their small containers, the seal edge right here actually fits over the end of the tire stem when you go to work on this. So what we're going to do first is you're going to get your tire tool and you're going to pop out your stem, and that's right in here, and we're going to grab the camera so that you guys can see what we're doing. Alright, so tire stem tool is pretty straightforward. You got this side with the cut face in it, and that just goes right in, and you spin it till it sets in. Right there. And then you turn this way to unscrew. And we're just going to undo that entire stem. So the inside valve is going to pop out. It takes quite a few rotations. It feels like it's never coming out of there. And then all of a sudden it pops out. So there we are. You want to set this aside. Make sure this doesn't get any grunge on it or anything. Alright, so at this point you're going to take your Dawn Ultra. And what you're going to do is press in on the side of the tire. And you'll feel the air coming out. And then you're going to take this stem valve and you're going to take the end of this, put it right over the top so that the liquid goes down, and then squeeze the bottle slowly while letting off the tire. And if you massage the tire just a little bit, it'll actively pull the Dawn into the tire. So there we go. You can see we've definitely added quite a bit, and that's going to seal it up. Now you're going to take your valve stem and set it in. The pointy side goes in first. And screw it in. Alright, so as you can see, this tire is most definitely flat. We've got our 12 volt AUDEW pump, and there'll be a link in the description if you want to take a look at one of these and pick one up for yourself. I really like it. It's a nice little pump, on demand, and it's really quick because it's twin cylinder. Here we go. There we are. No time lapse, no nothing. It's that quick. Really impressed with this little pump. Check out the link. It was really nice of them to send it here, and hopefully it'll help one of you.